guys, Kim here of YugaTech, and Huawei has just unveiled their new flagship smartphones here in London, and we are here to bring your hands-on of the Mate 20. So the Mate 20 is one of the 4 phones launched, the other 3 being the Mate 20 Pro, the Mate 20X, and the Mate 20 RS. We also have hands-on videos of those 3 devices, so be sure to check them out too. Right away, it's definitely a lot more aesthetically pleasing than the Mate 20 Pro, largely because of that smaller notch up front, which is more akin to devices like the Essential phone, OPPO F9, and Vivo V11. Huawei likes to say that they design their phones the same way luxury cars would be designed. But we do appreciate the Mate 20's symmetry. It also has that really nice glass back that is now fingerprint and slip resistant thanks to Huawei's new hyper-optical pattern that also provides a more unique texture. The aesthetic quality doesn't just stop there, as we have a whole lot of great color choices like emerald green, midnight blue, classic black, pink gold, and the iconic twilight. This phone is also among Huawei's most powerful phones right now, as it boasts a Kirin 980, the world's first 7nm SoC. It's also got a dual NPU, Mel G76 GPU, and LTE Cat 21 connectivity, coupled with either 4 or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which is expandable via the new Huawei NM Nano memory card, and it's looking to be quite the beast. Up front, it's rocking a 6.53 RGB WHDR IPS LCD display. It's not as nice as the Mate 20 Pro's OLED screen, but we still can't complain. It's still a pretty good display. For cameras, we also get 3 at the back, but at lower resolutions compared to the Mate 20 Pro. We have a 16-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel wide-angle sensor, and 8-megapixel telephoto sensor. And of course, this being a Huawei flagship, these are all rocking Leica lenses. The fingerprint scanner in this phone is at the back, unlike the Mate 20 Pro, which actually uses an in-display fingerprint scanner. Powering the phone is a 4000 mAh battery with support for Huawei Supercharge. And running the software department is EMUI 9 based in Android 9 Pie. So getting this phone gives you the most up-to-date Android experience possible, as most phones on the market right now are still running Android Oreo. The Huawei Mate 20 isn't as expensive as the Mate 20 Pro and other flagships, but the prices are still hefty. It comes in at €799 for the 4GB RAM variant and €849 for the 6GB RAM variant. What do you guys think of the Huawei Mate 20? Do you want this as your next phone? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, you know where the thumbs up button is. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads, and visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Kim, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!